Looking for the best wireless keyboards for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 wireless keyboards for .that that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a wireless keyboards for .that that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended wireless keyboards for 2022. Number 1 on the list is REDRAGON K596 Vishnu. REDRAGON opens a new tab isn't exactly a well-known gaming brand in the US, but it's hard to argue with the $70 price of the K596 Vishnu. This 2.4 GHz wireless gaming keyboard packs RGB, dedicated macro and media keys, a metal volume rocker, linear switches and even a wrist rest, albeit a hard plastic one, all into a tankless package. And that's at well less than half the price of the more well-known competition. The K596 Vishnu also feels solid and was comfortable to use while gaming and typing, although the plastic used for the shell does look a bit cheap. There's also some funkiness going on with the design, like the fact that F1 F8 are labeled as secondary media controls, despite there also being a bank of dedicated media buttons directly to their right. The second bank of programmable G keys are also oddly narrow and jammed up. And there are light bars on either side of the keyboard that, while look cool, are only going to drain your battery faster while you're gaming without the USB-C cable plugged in. You can turn these off by hitting FN and the pause button repeatedly, but that's a pain. The extra lights should default to only turning on when the keyboard is plugged in via a cable. The Vishnu is also heavier than competing wireless keyboards. Still, despite its oddities and minor flaws, this is one heck of a keyboard for $70 when you consider Logitech's G915 TKL costs more than 3 times as much and doesn't include a wrist rest. If you're after a compact, colorful wireless gaming keyboard on a budget, the K596 Vishnu easily earns a top spot in the pantheon. Second on the list is Logitech G915 Lightspeed. The Logitech G915 Lightspeed delivers a fantastic combo of error-free typing, speed, and comfort. It looks smart and mature in a way that very few gaming peripherals are able to put off, and, short of a wrist rest, it's replete with anything you could ask of a keyboard. Razer and Corsair offer slightly cheaper high-end boards by comparison, but for those who secretly miss the stability of the old membrane days, this low-profile keyboard is a dream come true. And for those looking for something similar but smaller, there's the also excellent Logitech G915 TKL. Number 3 on the list, Logitech MX Mechanical Keyboard. If you're switching back and forth among different computers, Logitech's MX Mechanical is the best wireless keyboard for getting work done. The business-friendly clacker can connect to up to 3 devices via Bluetooth LAN or one of Logitech's Logibolt dongles, and it has dedicated keys for changing to each, no cryptic key combos needed. The Logitech MX Mechanical really shines when you pair it with one of the company's MX Master mice X, the MX Master 3s, and use the LogiFlow feature, which changes the connection when you move the pointer off of the desktop of one machine and onto another. It even maintains a shared clipboard, so you can copy some text on one computer and paste it into an app on another. This full-size, 110-key keyboard uses low-profile keys and switches in your choice of Kale Chalk V2 blue, red or brown varieties. We found the shorter travel a boon for typing on both the blues and browns we tested. But, as with all low-profile keyboards, the height of the keyboard is too short to use with standard wrist rests. Low-profile wrist rests exist, though they are fewer and likely less padded. For those who like a smaller keyboard, Logitech makes the MX Mechanical Mini, which has 84 keys, no numpad, but is otherwise identical. Number 4 on the list is IQUNIX A80 Explorer. The IQUNIX A80 Explorer is a retro-inspired 80% keyboard that combines vintage design with modern features. It delivers unique and desirable features, such as high-quality, colorful PBT keycaps and quiet stabilizers in a compact form factor, with the option to use a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle or Bluetooth connection. The IQUNIX A80 is an exceptionally good keyboard. There's a remarkable attention to detail here, from the bold, retro design and matching cable to the use of damping foam and outstanding stabilizers. The result is a keyboard that's truly unique and offers a typing experience that competes with a custom-built mechanical keyboard. Still, that bold design and relatively expensive price isn't for everybody. If you like the form factor but can't afford the A80, the Keychron K2 opens a new tab, while less premium in build, starts at $80 for the version with RGB. Number 5 on the list, Corsair K63 Wireless Gaming Keyboard and Lapboard Combo. Corsair's K63 keyboard lapboard combo may have a more cumbersome name than Razer's competing Turret 1, but in many ways, it's a simpler, roomier device that delivers an excellent couch gaming experience at a lower price, $159.99 MSRP, though at this writing it was selling for about $10 more than the $250 Razer setup. You can also buy the lapboard without the keyboard for $60. Part of that lower price comes from the fact that Corsair doesn't include a mouse, unlike Razer. But as the K63 lapboard includes a standard size mouse pad, you can use any mouse you want. I used the Lapboard with Corsair's own Catter Pro, as well as a few non-gaming Logitech mice without any issue. And thanks to generous padding on the bottom of the Lapboard, I was able to game for hours in comfort. My couch's lack of support for my back was an issue long before the K63 lapboard was. One of the lapboard's downsides is that the K63 keyboard, which either comes with the keyboard laptop bundle or can be bought separately if you buy the lapboard separately, only has blue backlighting, and you can only get it with Cherry MX red switches. So if you feel the need for RGB or clicky switches, you should check out the Razer Turret 1. Battery life for the K63 lapboard is listed at 15 hours at full backlight brightness. I generally got a little less, or up to 75 hours with the lighting off. Charging the keyboard is as easy as plugging into its micro USB port. But you may want to pop the two tabs at the back of the lapboard and take the keyboard out first, as the laptop as a whole is rather large and clunky, at over 26 inches long and 10.5 inches wide. Razer's Turret 1 is a bit smaller and easier to stow when you aren't using it, thanks to a slide-out mousepad. But that also results in a slightly more cramped feel and a smaller mousing area. The Corsair K63 keyboard lapboard combo, however, offers up as roomy and comfortable a couch gaming experience we've seen yet. Just remember to bring along your own wireless mouse. And be ready to wipe the unit down regularly, as the rubber wrist area and cloth mousepad attract dirt and crumbs and other tiny things easily get lodged in the seams around those parts of the lapboard. Just now is a list of 5 best wireless keyboards that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.